All right, everyone. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Just want to give you guys one more union update here, real quick. I was supposed to go in this morning to the union hall. If that's what they call it. I think so. So I was supposed to go into the union hall, and I was supposed to do the drug test to get the clean card, and then they were supposed to give me like a job receipt, I guess, or a job slip for my job bid on my job. But the systems went down last night in some freak of nature, so that kind of got delayed, and so they'll call me tomorrow morning for my job. So that delayed my trip to the union hall till tomorrow. So I'll do that stuff between 1 to 3 p.m. and then I will also go to my company and fill out paperwork there as well. And so then I'll be all ready on Monday, all ready to work in the morning. And I think that pretty much wraps it up. So once I go and fill out the paperwork at the union hall, actually, I don't know if I have to fill out any paperwork, just do the drug test, and then whatever else I said, get the job slip, and then I will take that to my company and then fill out paperwork at my company, and then I think I should be ready to go. So we'll see here on Monday how it goes. I'm excited. I'm not sure if I'm going to drive to the job site on Sunday, but it'll probably just be Monday morning, like extremely early. So that'll be fun. But other than that, I'm ready to go, and I'm excited to meet the company and all that stuff and get started and working for them. So I will keep you guys posted. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you got any other video ideas for tomorrow, let me know. I don't have any video ideas for you right now off the top of my head, but if there's something you guys want to see, let me know, and I'll try to make that happen. All right, guys, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. It helped the channel out. Thank you guys so much for another 100 subscribers. It's going by so fast. Appreciate that. Check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Probably do another live stream tonight, so stay tuned for that. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your night. Peace out.